The SEL series biomass boiler is a chain grate water tube boiler designed by ZOZEN boiler based on international advanced technology and experience. It features a horizontal double drum, vertical arrangement structure with a thermal capacity ranging from 6 to 35 tons per hour and operating pressures from 1 to 2.5 megapascals. It can utilize fuels such as bituminous coal, lean coal, smokeless coal, biomass pellets, straw, wood blocks, palm shells, rice husks, corn cobs, waste wood, and more, making it widely applicable in industries such as heating, chemical, food, tobacco, textile, printing and dyeing, feed, building materials, brewing, and rubber. ZOZEN Boiler collaborated with Sunda Group in launching a new project in Ghana. Sunda Group is investing in the construction of a highly automated and environmentally friendly detergent powder plant in Ghana. To ensure a heat source for the production line, Sunda Group has chosen ZOZEN Boiler's 10-ton SEL series biomass steam boiler. The SEL series biomass boiler can flexibly use two types of fuel, biomass pellets, and wood chips, meeting the fuel requirements of the detergent powder plant in Ghana. Additionally, ZOZEN Boiler has custom designed a chain grate for the Ghanaian detergent powder plant to ensure the overall combustion of the boiler and guarantee complete fuel combustion. What are the key features of this boiler? Firstly, the furnace of this boiler adopts a densely arranged water-cooled wall tube structure, paired with a customized boiler system, providing a large radiation area and achieving a thermal efficiency greater than 86%. Secondly, the design of ZOZEN's chain grate and independent air compartment ensures thorough fuel combustion, leading to cost savings.